Sammy, you look really fluffy today.
Ugh, Sue, we have to take Fluffy to the groomer. His fur is everywhere. Ugh.
Yeah, or you'll turn into the cat too. Just what we need.
What if I became a cat for real? Who would you choose, me or Fluffy?
Slimy cat or ordinary cat? Tough choice.
No, it's obvious.
I think I'd send you both to a cat cafe.
What? It's a betrayal!
No, I'd open a cat cafe right here in our house.
Okay, I trust you. By the way, are cat cafes real?
Sure, follow me, I'll show you. Hi guys, today I want to invite you to the paradise for cat lovers. Let's place the foundation onto the bright grass.
Wait, you didn't tell me what the cat cafe is all about!
Sammy, wait there, you're ruining the construction process.
Fine, but I'm still waiting for more information, Sue.
Anyone can go to a cat cafe to watch and play with cute kitties. Cats live there and have tiny houses and playgrounds.
Wow, they even have lighting inside their houses.
Yep, cats just chill and live their best life there. There we go. Just imagine them jumping around and walking on their wall condos. Sweet, right? Whoop.
Oh, I'm so jealous! Sue, can I live in your cat cafe too, please? Meow.
Sorry, Sammy. This cafe is for cats only. But you're always welcome as a visitor. Ah, their condos are simply amazing. Check out those wall stairs.
Susie, can we turn this place into a slime cafe? Here, I'll give you something.
I don't take bribes, Sammy. Do you want to help?
They even have sweets in there. It's not fair.
Wait a little. I'll finish with this glass wall, and we'll place tables and food plates.
Maybe I can run away with all the food.
Sammy, no mischief. I'm watching you.
Shiver me cheddars. Who on earth invented such cafes?
The first cat cafe opened in Taiwan in 1998. Nowadays, you can find dozens of these cafes all over the world. Isn't it fantastic?
It happened more than 20 years ago, and still, nobody has opened any slime cafes!
You can be the first, Sammy. We'll support you. Right, guys? Give us a thumbs up if you want to visit a slime cafe.
Slimes are cuter than cats! Give them cafes to have a rest!
Stop this strike for a moment. Our visitors would like to taste those yummy desserts.
Okay, I'll give them up, but only for the visitors, not for the cats.
Guys, here's a soft ball that kitties like so much. Oh, such a cute little slime kitty. Can you hold this for me? Good, slime cat.
Sue, if I help you, can I live in your cat cafe too, pretty please?
Fine, but you'll have 2 other fluffy roommates.
Ah! No, Sue, I'm allergic to cat hair. Can I live alone?
But I'm making scratching posts for cats, and you don't have any claws to use on them, right?
I'll grow them. You'll see.
Guys, do you believe he can do that? Stay tuned to see.
Alright, I give up. I didn't find any way to grow claws for slimes.
And whoosh. Don't be sad, Sammy. Cats are cute, but you're even cuter.
Okay, I'll try to like those cats and not envy their cute tiny houses.
I'm so proud of you. Check this out. The cat house is almost ready.
I've just noticed that this house has pink pieces. Love it!
Yeah, the color pink is very cute. Even cat cafes use it. Wow, I can't wait to see kitties playing inside. And they can jump right on the stairs and then onto the bridge. Let's add this tiny staircase for safety. Meow.
Ah, these cushions are so soft. I could sleep here forever.
What about this fluffy pillow? It's so cozy. Try it.
Holy cannoli, it's pillow heaven!
Okay, let's leave these for the cats. I'll buy new ones your size. Hey Sam, where are you carrying this cabinet? The grand opening is soon. We can't waste any minute.
Sue, I want to open my slime cafe. Can I keep the display case?
Nope. These sandwiches are very popular in our cat cafe.
What about this pot then? It's cheap and not even pretty.
I need it right now. Thanks for helping me.
Susie, you're getting crazy about this cafe. Watch me. My cafe will open first.
Are you walking away? Won't you check out this amazing coffee grinder?
Holy cannoli, it looks so cool. This coffee is a chef's kiss. The coffee in my cafe will be so much better.
I think Sam will come back soon with another great idea. Let's amuse him and put some food on sale. And add a great coffee range to the menu. I'd sip a cup now.
I came here to drop some money. Dropping all my money. I give all for one whole cake.
Sammy, I thought you were building your own cafe.
Nah, it'll take too long. I'll better mess with your cat cafe.
Oh no, Slime Prankster is back again. What should I do? I should finish up everything faster so Sam can't get in. Don't touch this chair! Give it back, Sammy!
Susan, drop it! Don't be so stubborn! Ah! Oh, I'm fine. Oh no! The chair! Oh, sorry, I didn't mean it!
Luckily, we have one more. I think we need to delay the grand opening.
Don't worry, Sue. I'll repair it. The chair will be as good as new.
Guys, we have some technical issues. Don't go anywhere. Sam, you're right on time. Now our dining terrace is finished, and a cozy bed for our kitties is done too.
I want to apologize to you guys. And you kitties, go home.
Oops, sorry guys. I totally forgot to build the stairs. Sammy, can you play with the kitties for a bit?
Watch me. This food bowl hypnotizes you.
Here we go. Now run to your new home, fluffy pups. Lovely cat's home. This sign suits the cafe so much.
Susan, we should finish the roof or the kitties could get wet if it's raining.
Rain inside the house? Anyway, the roof is our next goal. Let's get started.
Susie, take this gift for the cafe. I made it with all my slime's heart.
Thanks, Sammy. It's so sweet. Check this out, guys. You've really changed. Seems like we can finish the cafe faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Sammy, could you pass me the glass roof pieces? Okay, seems like nobody's gonna help me.
Oops, sorry. Those cat TikToks distracted me. Here's your menu.
You're still a bit lost, Sammy. I haven't finished the roof yet. Here, now the terrace is protected from the rain too.
I found the perfect spot for the menu. Okay, alright. What do you think, Sue? Okay, careful now. Okay, first catch. Ew, not a smelly shoe. I have to find something better next time.
I need some slime crafting skills here.
Susan, I have more serious problems here. Holy cannoli, I found a real treasure. Susie, hurry up and hang it on the roof before the kitties notice.
So now you think about me, huh? Okay, I'll help you out. But I need you to serve the table on the terrace.
Ahem! I'm Samuel, and I'll be your waiter today. And a bit more. Ta-da! Cash or credit card?
That's great, but I think you dropped something.
Oh no! Don't cut out my tips, please!
Don't worry, I put it on the chair so nobody will find out.
So, where are all the visitors? Nobody's come yet.
Maybe we should give bigger hints and create a promotion.
Like this. We have a beautiful flower garden around the cafe.
Nice. The grand opening is coming very soon, so let's hurry up. You can't do without a pinch of magic. Wow.
Check it out. This water helps you grow plants and even stones.
Guys, are you ready to be our first visitors? There you go, kitties. Enjoy your meal.
Susie, I finally decided to join the Cat Lovers Club. Meow.
Woohoo, Sammy. Here you go. You will be our VIP customer.
Thanks. I needed this scratching stick so bad.
Want to taste our specials for today?
Maybe later. I played with Fluffy and then his itching started. It can't be cat fleas, right? Oh no, I think it's better to get rid of this strange fur.
Fluffy doesn't have fleas, guys. I think it's just a bad fur coat.
Phew! Now it's much better. Guys, do you like our beautiful cat cafe? Then quick, give us a thumbs up!
And see y'all in the next video. Bye.